Jotelo mawuok e duond bura mar Ford Kenya kotelnegi gi Seneta ma Bungoma David Wakoli okwedo mager nek makoro timore pachoka ka gilero ni duond burano biro golo jachung' e yiero madundo makoro igeto tim. Kane giloso e log tich margi e buore Nairobi, David Wakoli kod John Morumba Chikati okwedo nek mar Albert kod Rawera manochiel gi magine e kinde ng'anyo, ka gimedo ni kata bed ni duond burano siro sirikal ok gibeling kod timbe ma obila koro nyisogo. Duond burano bende owacho ni biro bedo gi pogruok e paro e kind rowere kod sirikal ma pachoka ok en lesen mar kawo ngima ng'ato.
We appreciate the life and the sanctity of human life. Our agreement with UDA in the Kenya Kwanza Alliance is based on development. It is not based on murder. And therefore we condemn any cases where there is murder of any citizen in Kenya. We support the president in his initiative, as the Senator of Bungoma has said, in finding a solution so that anybody involved in murder can face the law.
A death of a Kikuyu, a death of a Luya,
yes,
a death of a Turkana,
correct,
is a death of a Kenyan.
Yes.
And what we are saying as a party, any death of any Kenyan, anywhere, brutality by the police or any security agencies, we condemn it fully. Not only the death of this young teacher who died, or the other Juakali hustler on the street. Remember, there was a priest who was shot dead by bandits.
Correct.
Remember, there are over 20 Turukanas at Lake Turkana who died. We are standing in solidarity with Kenyans against any brutality and summarizing of their lives by brutal forces.
Correct.
We stand with Kenyans, and we also stand with government of the Republic of Kenya to ensure it calls to order those who are not respecting the sanctity of life.